And once again, I welcome everyone to the Drive Express channel. Mazda unveiled the all-new CX-80, its new flagship in markets such as Europe, Japan, and Australia. The new SUV is offered with a variety of three-row configurations and will initially be available with mild hybrid diesel and plug-in hybrid powertrain options in Europe. As expected, the Mazda CX-80 shares many body panels with the CX-60, including the entire front end. However, the CX-80 boasts a longer wheelbase and a stretched rear overhang, giving it a resemblance to the larger CX-70 and CX-90 available in North America. The profile of the CX-80 is distinguished by the longer rear doors and the model-specific greenhouse featuring thicker chrome on the rear side windows. At the back, the tail lights are shared with the CX-60, but there is a redesigned rear fascia and a more upright tailgate. The new Mazda CX-80 measures almost 5,000 millimeters long, with a wheelbase over 3,000 millimeters, compared to the 47-45 millimeters length and 28-70 millimeters wheelbase of the CX-60. For comparison, the North American CX-70 and CX-90 SUVs measure 5,121 millimeters in length and feature a 3199 millimeters, 122.8 inches wheelbase. It's worth noting that these are classified as wide-body SUVs, unlike the narrow-body CX-60 and CX-80 Duo. The CX-80 is available with different three-row interior configurations, accommodating 6 or 7 occupants. The second row can be configured with either a trio of standard seats or 2 captain's chairs, combined with a center console or a walk-through to the third row. Finally, the 2 seats of the third row can fold completely flat, extending the cargo area when not in use. The dashboard is carried over from the CX-60, featuring premium materials and Mazda's latest infotainment display. Equipment includes Alexa voice control, a hybrid navigation, said to combine the benefits of offline and online services, and a new trailer hitch view system. The model gets the full iActive Sense ADAS suite, with Mazda targeting a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. In Europe, the CX-80 offers a choice of mild hybrid diesel and plug-in hybrid powertrains. These are shared with the CX-60 as the 2 models ride on the same architecture. The entry-level eSkyActiv D version is equipped with a 3.3-litre 6-cylinder diesel, producing 251 horsepower, 187 kilowatts, and 550 newton-meters of torque. The engine is assisted by Mazda's M-Hybrid Boost 48V mild hybrid system, enhancing its environmental credentials. Power is transmitted to all 4 wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The more powerful and efficient eSkyActiv PHEV churns out a combined 323 horsepower, 241 kilowatts, and 500 newton-meters of torque, allowing the 0-100 kilometers per hour, 0-62 miles per hour, sprint to be completed in 6.8 seconds. The setup comprises a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder gasoline engine, an electric motor, and a 17.8 kilometers per hour battery pack, offering up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles, of electric-only range. Pre-sales for the Mazda CX-80 will start this May, with the first examples set to reach European dealerships in autumn 2024. The SUV will also be available in its home market in Japan and is expected to reach Australia before the end of the year. Friends, and you like the new Mazda CX-80, write what you think in the comments under the video. Put likes, as well as subscribe to the channel. See you soon. All bye.